Hey y'all, it's me, Keri from Keri Kontours, and today we're going to be doing a full makeup look with only drugstore makeup. I decided to run to my local Walgreens. They are not sponsoring this video, even though they could, but anyway. So I am here at Walgreens and I'm gonna try and find some makeup that will be good. Let's see what we can find. Starting off, not so sure. The colors are looking very white, but we shall persevere. Okay, so these little highlighters are really cute. I think I'm gonna get this one because it's a color that I don't really have. There are so many lashes. It's amazing. I'm really surprised. Let me go back to my old but goodie ebony face powder from Black Radiance and VI Purple from Wet n Wild, which is currently on sale for $4. First of all, we're going to start off. I don't have a primer, but if you are someone who needs a primer, they usually sell those in the drugstores. Me, if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know I don't really wear primer. So I'm going to start with the Maybelline Fit Me in 355. This is Coconut. I usually like their stick version of this foundation better, but we're going to go in today with the liquid foundation. Brush. This is a buffing foundation brush. And this is my normal foundation brush that I use. Just going to place some of it everywhere and then work from there. Now I'm going to try out the Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. All right, let's see if caramel is a good color. Whoa. Whoa. All right, I'm just going to... Now my sponge is from Sonia Kashuk, which is from Target, but it's sort of like the drugstore. I mean, they got a whole bunch of stuff in there. So I'm just going to stop there and blend this in and hope that this don't look crazy. So we were able to say that it's not looking cray. I don't think. So I didn't get a bronzer. I decided I was just going to use what I had at home. This is the Black Radiance foundation stick. It's the Color Perfect foundation stick. This is a little dark for me, but I am just going to make it work and not go too crazy with the stick and just put it intermittently, a little less than what I would normally use because I don't want it to be super duper harsh. Blending sponge. By the way, that Black Radiance contour stick is from the drugstore as well. I just bought it a different time. Now, I don't use a face powder, all over face powder anymore, but I figured since we were doing this video, I would grab one of these. This Black Radiance press powder in Ebony. These are really good. So, if you're looking for a face powder, definitely, check these out. I think they were $4, I think. So it's actually a really good price and it's a good product. I used to use this for years. So just taking this BH Cosmetics number 9 brush, is a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to dust this all over. I'm actually going to dust this as a bronzer. Anywhere that I see something I don't like, go in with that damp sponge and just tap on it to get whatever you don't like off. If you need a translucent powder, there's something called Air Spun. It has like an orange top to it. I've used it in videos way long ago, but Air Spun is really good, super cheap. you can get at the drugstore, and you can use it as your baking powder if you want to bake, or you know, your translucent setting powder. The next step we're going to take, we're going to hit the brows, and we're going to use my Old Faithful NYX micro brow pencil. You can get this at the drugstore, and this is in the color Espresso. Picked up this brow gel from Maybelline, and this is the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. And it's really just to set my brows in place. So this is from Wet n Wild. It is their VI Purple palette. It has some nice colors in it. It's pretty nice. Nice color range. And then it's kind of cute. It has transition on here so that way you know which color should be your transition shade. We're going to start with the transition shade here. So I'm just going to go into my crease and use this as the transition shade as directed. That's actually a pretty good payoff. I'm not mad at that. Wet n Wild. Okay, I'm going to go in with this deeper color here for my little V. That's a pretty transition. Like, this is a really nice transition to me. Okay, sis, Wet n Wild ain't come to play. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's saying to do something on the back. Like, there are instructions on the back of like how to create a look, and I'm like, but I'm gonna follow directions, and we gonna see what we get, girl. As to now use the little pink color here. I'm nervous, child. Let me grab some of the pink with my angled brush. This brush, I believe, is from BH Cosmetics as well. I'm not sure. I'm so sorry about that. I'm just going to take the angled brush and sweep it a little more. And see what happens. Because this brush kind of like blends at the same time as adding color. I'm going to take this flat brush from the Makeup Shack and grab the purple that they say is the color that should be going on top. Oh, this is looking more blue than purple. Let's tap her off because that is frightening. That is frightening. I don't know about the pink to purple transition. I don't think that was necessary, but we're going to keep going. On the lid. Coming back with the pink brush, but not adding anything new. Blending between the pink and the purple. I'm not really sure what they were trying to accomplish, but we need a lot more blending for on our side. Okay, it looks like a purple smoky eye. It's smoking into pink some, which is interesting. And pull in some of the darker, the V here. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this very old, this is a Maybelline Smoked Coal Eye Pencil that I've had for forever. I'm going to go in and make this my liner. I'm not going to use a liquid liner today. I'm just going to go against my eye line. Going to go ahead and put a little bit on my waterline. Okay, going to hit my cheeks with a little bit of this. It's called Cheek Heat. It's a blush 2+ gel cream formula This is by Maybelline as well, and it is in the color Fuchsia Spar. I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender again. I did get some lashes from the drugstore as well. These are both from Kiss lashes. We're gonna try Little Black Dress because they're the most, you know, demure and calm. All right, depending on when this video goes up, there will be a lash video coming out, and or it's already out. So just go check some of my other videos to see if you see the how to put on lashes video. I'm gonna use the Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express mascara before I apply my lashes. I've just applied the glue so they are drying. This is from the drugstore. I didn't get it today, but this is a staple for me. The lashes are now on. We got lashes on. Second to last product we're going to use is the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is their highlighting powder. It's called Mega Glow, and this color is Precious Petals. So I'm going to take my fan brush. I hear that people don't use this anymore, but chabu. Gonna just swirl around in there, pick some up, and dust her on. Ooh, how pretty. And now finally, good old chapstick. You can get this from a drugstore. I love a chapstick. And we're gonna take the Milani Ludicrous lip gloss. And this is in the color So Fly 210. And I thought it was just a really nice color, really nice nude. That, or you know, like a colored nude, a darker nude for moi. Okay guys, so this is it. This is a full drugstore look. I mean, everything drugstore, and we still got this cute little look. I think of all the products that I got today, minus the this big pack of lashes, this was the most expensive thing that I bought. This was $16 for 4 sets of lashes. So the lashes I have on $4 and some change. So but yeah, so I would say I spent maybe $50, $60 max on these products today. Now, some of the ones that I already had, I spent that money a long time ago, so I mean, it's gone. So if you're gonna go and just buy a whole bunch of stuff in one time, yes, you're gonna spend $60, $70 on everything. But if you're gradually adding to, you know, the items that you're buying, it's definitely not as expensive as if you were buying from the higher end brands, NARS, Pat McGrath, you know, those brands. You're gonna spend $60, $70 and you're probably gonna get 2 items. Let me know what you guys think about this look. If you're going to try to find some of these items, let me know. Let me know how your whole drugstore roundup goes if you decide to try this yourself. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave me some comments below if you have any questions, and I will see you guys next time.